Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily connect CapCut to TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up CapCut app. Once you open the app, right here at the top left corner, you can easily find your profile picture. Just tap on that. On Android devices, this icon can be located right there. It opens up that side menu. From here, you have to tap at Manage Account. And now you are able to connect TikTok or Facebook to your CapCut. All you have to do is just hit at that link button next to TikTok. It opens up TikTok app. You have to be logged into your TikTok account on TikTok app, obviously. And after that, you can just hit and authorize. And that's it. Now you can see that TikTok profile was successfully linked to the CapCut profile. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok and CapCut tutorials playlists, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.